Welcome to this video about how to connect your ProfitWell to your Ontraport instance. The first place we're going to start is by creating a set of API keys that you're going to use exclusively with ProfitWell. You could use existing API keys, but it's best practices to always go ahead and set up new API keys as long as you have remaining ones from Ontraport. At the time of this recording, Ontraport doesn't limit the number of API keys that you can use, so there's no reason not to just set up a new one for this. That way, whenever anything goes wrong, you know exactly where to look. So let's go ahead and set up our new API key. It's going to be the contact owner. Just by default, we go ahead and set all of these to true. And I'm just going to give this a name that makes sense and call it ProfitWell. You can call yours whatever you'd like. Go ahead and click save. And there you see that you have your new API key, set of API key. Next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come over to ClickFix, and you're going to want to go ahead and register a new API key. And we're going to call this Demo ProfitWell. And it's asking for your application ID. So we go back here and we grab this number here. And it wants the application key. Oops. So we come here. Go ahead and drop that in. Make sure that there are no spaces or anything. We're going to click on active and we're going to click submit. After that's done, your work is done for now here inside of ClickFix, and you can go ahead and go to your ProfitWell account. This video assumes that you've already started your ProfitWell account, and if you need to do so, you can go to profitwell.com and just click on the Get Started button to get that set up. Once you're inside your dashboard, all you need to do is click on the Account Settings gear. Go ahead and go to Integrations. Don't worry about any of this stuff for now. Click on this ProfitWell API, and this is going to be the actual API key that you're going to need. You can come back here to ClickFix. Have a link to the ProfitWell integration on the actual website, and it took us straight to the page we needed to be on. From here, all you're going to do is go ahead and name the ProfitWell instance, so that way you understand which one you're looking at in the future. You're going to select the Ontraport application key that we just made. We're going to go ahead and paste in the ProfitWell API key that we just got from inside of your ProfitWell account. You're going to select the same plan currency that you did when you were setting ProfitWell up. In our case, we're just going to say US dollars. And we want this to track all products for now. If you have a specific subscription product or a specific product that has the recurring membership on it, you're going to want to go ahead and select that one by itself. If you have several different membership types and you want to track them all, then you can go ahead and leave this blank. We'll let you decide which one is best for your perfect installation. Leave this on active. We definitely want to synchronize past orders. So that way we can pull in all the data, and you can use the data that's already inside of your system to go ahead and start making strategic decisions sooner rather than later. You don't need to check the Restart My Orders box when you first set up your module. This was to help some clients whose data had become corrupted to start fresh, but you shouldn't need it. Once I'm done with that, I just click on Submit. And it takes us back to the start. But rest assured, everything is connected on the ClickFix side of things, and now you just need to wait 24 to 48 hours for all the data to populate inside of your ProfitWell account. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can also come here to the Help Center and get direct access to us by either scheduling an appointment or sending a question to the contact email, or you can also jump into Facebook and ask us anything you'd like over there.